Ganun. Eh, hindi ko naman gusto yung pagtuturo.
Yun nga. You have to follow your heart kung saan ka magaling and saan yung passion.
Siguro magagamit ko naman po yung marketing after na.
Yes, that's true. Pero at least nalaman ng viewers natin, no? Pwede pala magkaroon ng teacher's sari kung sakali.
Siguro hindi po bagay yun.
Hindi bagay. Anyways, kung magiging teacher ka, anong subject ituturo mo?
PE.
PE. Automatic na. Okay, so Sari, let's get back to your achievements. So, ano yung reaction ng family, ng hometown, ng coaches, and ng mga dati mong players when they knew about your achievement, when they heard about it?
Na-feel ko naman po yung proud nila sa akin eh. Kasi nung umuwi po ako, sabi niya, ay ala, si Vane, ay nag-uli ka pala, sabi niya ganun. Parang yung heart ko po na sobrang saya kasi parang dati hindi naman ako napapansin, ganto, ganyan, sabi ko. And madami na din nagpapapik sa akin, eh, sabi ko dati, nagtatambay-tambay lang ako sa bahay, dinadaan-daanan niya. Kasi lang, napaproud lang po ako sa sarili ko and syempre, nagiging thankful na din kasi ako sa kanila. Kasi napaproud sila sa akin kahit kabarangay nila lang ako and yun, parang sobra yung ano nila, proud nila sa akin. So, nakakataba ng puso po.
Oh, pati ako naiiyak kay Sari. Ay, na-touch. But anyways, thank you so much, Sari, for sharing that. Napaka-touching din naman talaga ng story mo in terms of the sport volleyball and also in life. Now, before we continue, thank you to Mary's Coffee for the place located here at Barlin Street, Naga City. If you're looking for a cozy spot to relax, study, or meet friends, this is the perfect place for you. And of course, affordable and good quality drinks and foods. Support local, support quality, only at Mary's Coffee. When we return, we'll take a closer look at Sari, how she continues to put Bicol on the map in the volleyball world. Stay with us only here on Sportify. Do you think Mary's Coffee is more than just a coffee?
Our customers could go on with their daily life, their daily tasks and routines, or just simply have that casual moment or catching up with friends and families while enjoying the cozy ambience of our cafe and the great taste of our coffee and food.
Is every drink on your menu made with passion and local pride? Ano yung binabalik-balikan?
Yes, every menu on our drink was selected with great considerations and factors. We only want to serve the best drinks while considering customers' value for money